Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Brother and sister, all friends. In this video, we will greet technicians and printer users wherever you are. How are you? Hopefully, all are in good health. Okay, brother, in this video, we will review a printer resetter software. That with this software, even printer users without experience can use it. This we need when our printer is blinking, does not respond at all. When it is turned on, a blinking indicator light immediately appears, which indicates that the number of prints from this printer has exceeded its maximum limit. And of course, if we can return the print calculation to 0, then everything will be fine. The problem will be solved. For printer technician, of course, they already know this condition, right? Well, friends, brother, because I have to review this software soon, I will try it too and show you what convenience it provides. So here we will do a test using the printer that is here. Incidentally, there is no blinking printer here, so we will test using an Epson L300 printer, Epson printer with model L300. We will see if this software will work easily or not. Okay, first we will show that this software is called an adjustment program, like resetter software in general. Now it was made by the Inkchip company, which we can access on its official website, namely inkchip.net. The active link is in the description. Well, to use this software to fix our blinking printer, we only need to download it from the official website. Then we can get the key number. Then the software is ready to use. Okay, we can access inkchip.net. Inkchip. Week. Okay, this is the week layer, right? This is the press, and let's download for first. Choose your language, English, for example. Okay, the download will process the file of this Inkchip software. Is about 27 megabyte, 27.3 megabyte. Okay, brother, while waiting the download process, I will show you the price. If you are the printer user, I think you just need 1K and you just need $9.99 US. But if you are printer technician, maybe you need more than 1K. Here is the option 3K, $6.99 US, and for 5K the price is $5.99 US. Okay, the download process have finished, and let's to open this software. Do you want to install Inkchip Week? Yes. And okay. all language have downloaded here. Okay, try to open Inkjet Week for English. Okay, and to reset the what's the ink counter, we can choose this menu, click this. Okay, and okay, here we can choose our printer L300 series, right? And we can reset what's the ink counter. Read. Okay, the first we can read, right? Read was the ink counter. Okay, read for first, and here you can see the was the ink counter of this printer is about 54.24%, 54.24%, and this counter is okay because my printer here, the Epson L300 model, is not blinking, right? If blinking, of course the counter is 100% or more than 100% has exceeded the maximum limit. Okay, we will try to reset was the ink counter, and this counter must back to 0. This means about 0%. Okay, we will do this. Close this for first, and okay, my friend, to ensure the counter, was the ink counter of this printer, I will check this using the other software. Here is adjustment program 2. Okay, let's check this. Check. Okay, here is all right, this is 54%. This is the same value, right? This is about 3,526 point, and the maximum point is 6,500. So if this value is exceeded the maximum limit 6,500, so the printer will blinking. Okay, let's continue to fix this was the ink counter, and this must back to 0 point. Okay, click reset was the ink counter. Okay, here in this layer we can see input reset was the ink key. We can get this key with buy this from the Inkjet official website that we have explained before. Okay, you can choose 1K for $9.99 or if you choose 3K, 6.99 per K, and for 5K, $5.99 per K. Here I have got the K number. I got it from the Inkjet company, and I will try this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and done. Please restart the printer in order to finish the counter reset process. turn off the printer and turn on again. And now we can click this, close this, and try to read what's the encounter again. Click this. Okay, and here you can see 0.00%. This counter is okay. Alright, brother. This is the very good software that is very easy to use to fix our printer that is blinking continuously caused by the waste encounter is full. Jadi software ini sangat mudah sekali dipakai ya, bisa dipakai di rumah, bisa dipakai di kantor, di sekolahan, atau di berbagai tempat. Buat kamu pengguna printer, nggak harus dibawa ke teknisi, nggak harus pakai motor keluar ya, pakai mobil, nggak harus ngeluarin bensin, nggak harus bayar ke teknisi ya. Mungkin di Indonesia agak ini ya, biasa $9,99, sekitar berapa itu? Mungkin kalau dihitung di daerah tertentu agak mahal, tapi kalau dihitung totalnya ya, kalau dihitung totalnya, biaya kita pakai untuk keluar rumah, biaya kita pakai untuk bayar ke teknisinya, belum waktunya. Tentu ini membutuhkan, belum kita harus ngangkat printer ya. Printer harus kita angkat, kita bawa ke bengkel, kita harus lepas kabel-kabel dan lain sebagainya. Jadi saya kira ini buat kamu yang mau memilih ini pilihan yang cakep ya. Bisa dipakai di mana saja. Di Indonesia juga bisa, nggak masalah. Saya sendiri kan di Indonesia. So the software is working well, very easy to use. You just connect your printer to your computer, connect the computer to the internet to download the software, and then buy the key from the Inkchip official site. And then you can follow my video that I have explained to you, and your printer will working well again as before. Okay, brother, printer technician or the printer user anywhere, I hope this video will useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, the software is ready, and this is our printer, the Epson L300 with condition in the normal condition. The encounter of this printer is 3526, and the maximum print limit of this printer is 6500. We can see this in the software, as we will see later. Well, if this software is successful, the number of prints must return to 0. Usually on a blinking printer, the main pad counter or waste encounter will display a value equal to or higher by several points with the maximum limit.